How to voice over in CapCut. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To start off, you have to launch your CapCut application, so go ahead and do that. Now in here, select your new project or select any project that might be in your draft. For the sake of this video, I have selected this short video right over here. To voice over in CapCut, right at the bottom of the video in the timeline, you will see Add Audio. Tap on it and tap on Record. Now all you have to do is press on this green button, then the countdown begins for your voiceover. Now all you have to do is do a voiceover. Once you are done, tap on the tick mark. And voila, you have successfully voiced over in your CapCut. Sometimes the voiceover may face some issue by not recording your voice. In such a case, you can head back from your working area. Scroll up and head to Settings and scroll down to select Clear Cache. Then tap on Confirm. It will clear the cache that might cause any bug issue. Press and hold onto your CapCut application to go to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. This will too help with the bug or a glitch issue. If not, you can open up your Play Store or App Store and search for CapCut. In here, check for an update and leave it for an update if there is any, or uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.